welcome. You'd think I would stop, but I won't. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I pretty much upload every single day, but my normal upload schedule is Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, and today I'm doing a collaboration with a company that I have collaborated in the past, which is Hairphocas. You can get them on Amazon. I've done several of their wigs, so I'll put down below their playlist of the wigs that I have reviewed. But they asked me this time to actually review a wig grip, and I'm super excited because I have been wanting to review this type of wig grip for a while. So this is the wig grip here. This is the little package. I haven't even opened it up yet. It comes in nice packaging. Their wigs come in the same kind of packaging, just slightly bigger. And there's a wig cap actually that comes in there. And then the wig grip. This is the wig grip that has like the little lace right there for your part. And I have several wig grips, but I have been wanting to try this. So let's go ahead and take it out. This one is black. I do have a video on using a wig grip, but we are going to sort of go over it today too. So this will be a second video. So if you can see, this wig grip has a Velcro connection. It's a nice strong one actually. And you can sort of adjust it to where you would need it. It has the velvet, and how you put it on is you would run your finger against on the velvet, and where you can feel the velvet sort of pushing against your finger, that's the part that needs to be going back. So whenever, just think about the fact that like when you're pulling back on your wig, it needs to grip onto the velvet in order to stay. And then it does have this lace bit here. Essentially, it's supposed to be made so like if you're not wearing a wig cap or whatever, like you won't see it as much. That's the theory. I reviewed this wig recently. I'm not sure if it's up or not. It probably should be up or up soon. So we're going to use Outray's Charlene, which I absolutely love, by the way. So spoiler alert. So let me get her. This is Miss Charlene. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put the wig grip on. Wig grips are really nice for like, now that I've like shaved my head completely except for the top, you know, obviously don't have hair for the combs to go into. So that's really helpful for that reason. And also if you have issues with, you don't want to use the combs because you don't want your edges to be pulled on, you can use it for that. You can also use it if a wig is too big for you, because this will help keep it in place. So I'm going to go ahead and feel, and I can feel as I pull my fingers back, I'm getting that little, you know, I can feel, it's not silky like this way. I can feel the ridginess of it. So I'm going to put it, this is a middle part. So I'm going to put this where my lace parting would be. I'm going to come around my head and go to the base over the wig cap here. I like to pull the wig cap down so that it actually like holds my wig cap in place. And then I'm just going to adjust this so that you want it to be, you don't want it to move, but you don't want it to be too tight either. Ooh, this is very, very comfortable. I just want to look at it from behind. So this is what the wig grip is going to look like. Okay. All right. And then there's that lace bit. This was slightly big, so I'm gonna adjust it a little bit because I had adjusted it a little bit tighter. Let's get her on and see what happens. All right, so I put my wigs on back or front to back, and so I would put it on just like I normally would. I just make sure that when I'm pulling the wig cap in the back, that I actually pull it up and over the part where the Velcro is. Sometimes I'll put the comb up under the wig grip, sometimes I won't. Right now I'm not going to, I don't feel like I need to. So if you're looking at that part, so you're not going to see the wig grip, you're just going to see the lace part. So I do not have the combs in, so let me go ahead and just comb her, brush her out, and put some powder in the part. So yeah, so I can tug on this wig and it's not going anywhere, so that's nice. I like it. I just want to see if I were to use the other one, if that black shows through. Okay, so I have a brown one. I have a couple, but there's a brown one here. I don't recall if you could see the wig grip through the lace. So let's just check. Let's check out the theory. I mean, you can see it a little bit, like if the powder were to like, but not a lot. This wig grip though does feel much thinner, so not as bulky as this one does. So I mean, just in general, that's a plus. And I do feel like the other benefit to having the lace there is just the fact that you wouldn't have the bulkiness of the velvet in the parting area, which I think for some people can make it so it doesn't lay as flat. So there, you know, there is that benefit for sure. I mean, it's definitely slightly more comfortable, and like I said, this part is laying flatter. Overall, I enjoy this. I do think it's a little just slimmer, and you know, it's a little bit sleeker right at the part. But other than that, yeah, I really enjoy this. If this is the type of thing you would like to have one with the lace parting, I think this would be a nice one. I'm pretty sure it's like $9.99, but I'll put how much it costs down below. And yeah, I think so far so good. If you have any questions or comments about wig grips, I do have one other video on them. If there's additional information you would like me to share on wig grips, let me know down below. And that's all I have for you for this video, just a quick little video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.